Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook 8 ounces fettuccine to al dente, usually 10-11 minutes. While the pasta cooks, remove 1 pound lobster meat from shells and chop into bite-sized pieces, discarding cartilage. Reserve 1 cup pasta water before draining to adjust sauce texture later. Pat lobster gently to remove excess moisture and set aside. Chop 2 tablespoons fresh parsley and measure ingredients. 1/2 cup butter, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup grated. In a large skillet over medium heat, melt 1/2 cup butter and sauté 2 cloves minced garlic for 1 minute until fragrant but not browned. Pour in 1 cup heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer. Reduce heat and simmer 3-4 minutes until slightly thickened. Stir in 1 cup grated Parmesan a handful at a time until the sauce is smooth and glossy. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Then finish with 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness and 2 tablespoons chopped parsley. Add drained fettuccine to the skillet and toss to coat in the Alfredo sauce, using 1/2 cup reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce if it feels too thick. Fold in the 1 pound chopped lobster meat and warm gently for 1-2 minutes so lobster stays tender. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper as needed. Plate immediately. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and freshly grated Parmesan, and serve with lemon wedges for optional acidity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.